Hello friends, I'm R.K. Sharma from IBS. Thanks for taking this session for the training part. Today we are talking about the second part for the marketplace. Now, last time we spoke about the 60% category who have good margin of profit, and we can demand any kind of discount or whatever we want for the customers or for ourselves. But as I discussed that there are about 40% business entities in the country or the world, their margin is not good. They are earning money, but they cannot share any profit with the people. We put them in a 40% category. Okay, so you can't expect any kind of discount or redemption of your shopping points or cash back from this category. So as I took the example of a hotel in the first 60% category, now I'm talking about a person who's running a shop of grocery. Okay. Now this man, his earning is about 13 to 16% maximum. So you can't expect anything from them. But they also need customers, right? So what we have done is, rather I would say, I'll just ask a small question to you. Suppose wherever you are living, in whichever city, you have a road which is about 500 meters long, okay, in front of you, in front of your house. And there are about 4 to 5 grocery shops there. Now you have been buying your goods from one grocery shop, and the owner's name is Rakesh, okay. For last 10-15 years you have been buying for them. Hi, good morning, good afternoon, that is happening. You give them the list and he sends everything to your house, you pay the money, that's it. Suppose a friend comes to you one day and he says, I have wonderful news for you. There's a shop in front of your house and the owner's name is Suresh. Now, he is associated with a company called IBS and he has a wonderful power. So what is that power? The power is that suppose you buy goods worth 5,000 from him. He will immediately give you 5,000 shopping points worth rupees 5,000. Okay. Now, and these shopping points, they are very, very important, Now, I believe that nearly more than 75% people, when they come to know about this, they would love to go to Suresh only to buy all their goods by paying whatever the amount, and in return they are getting shopping points worth the amount they have paid for those goods. Okay. Now there's a small story about this shopping points. Now there are many big banks and corporates, they are giving shopping points to their customers, but there are two problems with them. One is these shopping points lapse after some time. Number two, you can redeem them with very small things for a particular, in the area, that's it. Now, in our case, number one, our shopping points never lapse. You can redeem them after 25 years also, no problem. And number two, you can redeem them in the entire market associated with us, and that too up to 100%. Nobody can do that. So this is the power we have. Now, let me ask you, once you know about this Suresh, you would love to continue with the Rakesh, or you will change the shop and go to Suresh? I can say about 75% people would go to Suresh because they want benefits. Fine, no problem. So what we are doing is, we are creating a huge customer base for Mr. Suresh. If he buys our package, cost 3650 only, which is again rupees 10 per day. And 10 rupees, if he can generate a lot of customers for an endless period, will he not buy this package? So, and there's one thing very important. Suppose in this locality, there are 5-6 grocery shops, but we will give to only one grocery shop, that is Suresh. Because if we give to everybody, then the purpose is lost. So, but in the other category, suppose there's a medical shop or an electrician shop, we can give to them, but grocery we'll give to only one. Electricity we'll give to only one. Any one category we'll give in that locality only to one shop. So that he rules over everybody, right? And that will create a lot of customers for our 60% category. That is the basic thing. Okay. So what power this man got in just rupees 10, that he can give these shopping points worth their product cost to unlimited customers throughout the year. Okay. So that's a huge base of customers coming to Mr. Suresh. So he will surely buy this package of 3650. Now this Suresh is happy with the whatever his customer is getting, is very happy. But the family of Suresh is also customer for the entire market. Suppose they are only buying the grocery goods from Suresh only because that's the same family. But for all other things, they have to go to the other market, right? So they are customers for the entire market. So what we are doing is that we are talking about return gifts for your family. We'll say Jaipur Shopping Carnival, Great Indian Shopping Carnival, they'll be registered for the entire lifetime. Then one time they can enjoy our Great Outdoors Club, and we are giving them 10,000 shopping points worth rupees 10,000 without purchasing anything, because they are the customer. So we are creating a huge customer base for our entire associates in the country. Apart from that, we are giving them 3 nights free stay in our camps, which I told you last time also. And apart from this, this is Entrepreneurs Club. We are giving to any member of the family of Suresh who's unemployed or looking for a second income. He or she can take this package free of cost for 1 year. We'll train her or him, and he or she can be in the market, earn a good amount of money. Suppose she earns 1 lakh rupees, 20% of that will automatically go to the person who sold this package to Suresh. So this is a big game that we are playing for the entire market, and because we have chosen only one shop in a particular area, these shops will surely buy this package to get the inflow of customers at the doorstep at the cost of rupees only 10 per day. So this is what the scenario for the 40% category. Okay. So if you have any questions about this, you can always call me, and once it's clear in your mind, prepare yourself to be in the market. And how do you present this concept to the shopkeepers? That will all you'll have to learn and practice, and you should know how to answer all the questions related to this, so that you don't have to do much. And once you are ready, then you can talk to anybody. There's no problem, because every businessman wants customer. That's for sure. And what we are doing, we are giving a big flow of customers to these people. Okay. So have a good day. Bye bye. Thank you so much.